Okay, so if I said to you, name me 4 search engines, Tones.
Yahoo,
Yep,
Bing,
yep,
Chrome,
okay.
and um, Firefox, or
Okay, that's
Mozilla, whatever it's called.
okay. So this article is basically about search engines. So Bing used to be or an option. So Bing loses out to DuckDuckGo. I said to you DuckDuckGo, what would you think?
Like those games that kids play when they were younger.
Okay, DuckDuckGo is like a search engine, so
Or is
like a
it?
Google. So in Google's new Android search engine battle ballot, they're calling it, Google will start offering EU users a choice for their default search engine. So by default, when you go into your phone, the first search engine that you
Yeah.
kind of look at. So what's happening is it's going to offer you 4 options, and in this option list, they've got Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Google and Bing.
Okay.
What's Bing?
Bing is like it's like if you're in school and you like type something in, it comes up as if you type in like a picture, it shows like all the pictures, but the completely different to Google. It has like a green background and it
Yes.
has like videos that are showing in the lane
Do you
and
know
pictures.
why that is?
No.
Okay, so Bing is like a Microsoft version of Google.
Oh,
It's like a
okay.
search engine,
Yes.
but Google don't run it. Microsoft do. So if you're using Internet Explorer, normally their search engine is Bing.
Yes.
And in schools and workplaces, mostly they use Windows, so they
Yeah.
have Bing.
Yes.
You can go to Google, and I normally
Yeah. Yeah.
set Google as my home search page. But DuckDuckGo is like a search engine, like Google's. You can search stuff on there. But the interesting thing is, I didn't think it was that big. Like you said, it
Yes,
doesn't
because
sound like a search engine.
the name itself, it just kids or people might think it's just another. It's probably a game like the games that kids play in the backyard or in the park.
Yeah, it's like DuckDuckGo.
Yes.
Actually, you know what? Should I see where they found that name from? Let's have a look. See what Google says. So why is it called DuckDuckGo? I'll tell you. Not
Okay.
every brand name has a secret message hidden in their letters, and the story is no different with DDG. So it's abbreviated DDG. Simply, Weinberg just liked it. The name was derived from the popular children's game. Well done, Tony. Or adults, Duck Duck Goose.
Yes.
Like that's the game version, but it's not a metaphor according to their community page. So see, that's what's good about having you
Oh,
here.
so what that means is the people that came up with it, they decided on calling it. Well, they've found DDG to be easier, so they found another way to make the word sense. So they
Yes.
just find out what DDG is. They're like, oh, okay, I'm gonna make my internet like that.
Yes, that's right. So you're right, because you know about that game. I wasn't really familiar with it, like kids game thing. They've used that, but the main story here on The Verge is saying it's actually being recognized. So Google will profit at the expense of the competition, is what it's saying here. When Google announced the auction system, rival search providers were not happy. So it's basically an update to say you can see the full selection that will be shown to users in the EU below. Ah, okay, so there's 3 different types. What? Quant? What would you think if I said Quant?
Quant
Yeah.
is like a place, I think, a city or something.
Oh,
Quant.
who is it? Let's see if you're right. I'm searching it. Quant is a search engine. Holy moly! So
Oh,
Quant is the French web search engine launched in July 2030. You know what? Being hyping tech, we should know this. Why don't we
yes,
know this? But we're learning.
yes,
Every day is a learning experience,
yes.
Tony. Okay, so it's only EU-based search engine with its own indexing engine. So you know what? Everybody looks at Google. It's not only Google. There's loads
Yes.
more out there. Especially looking at this article. So let's see who wrote this article, because we're gonna thank them. James Vincent, mate, buddy, thank you very much. Reporter, AI and robotics. That's a good article. we won't go any more into it. We'll let the viewers look at it. I'll link to this article in the description. But Google, watch your back. Duck is coming after ya.